Hi, I'm Christy Wilhelmi of Garden Nerd, and I'm here to tell you how to grow organic strawberry plants. It's a really good choice to grow strawberries organically because it is one of the most highly pesticided crops in agriculture. So if you can grow your own strawberries organically, you're doing yourself and the world a favor. So the first thing to do is, of course, if you can start with organic strawberry crowns, that would be great. You can order them online from places like Peaceful Valley Farm and Garden Supply. Or if you have a friend who is growing strawberries organically, you can probably coax them out of a few of their offshoots, their daughters. So that's a great way to start. And then you can transplant them into your raised bed or container or in the ground after you've amended the soil with plenty of organic matter. The key to growing really healthy strawberries, it really doesn't take a lot, but organic compost is a great idea. And organic fertilizers, if you're using it. Strawberries are fruit producing, so they do require potassium and phosphorus for good fruit and flower development and strong root growth. So make sure you incorporate a well-balanced organic fertilizer for that. Okay, one of the big problems with organic strawberries, or any strawberries in general, is sow bugs and pill bugs. They like to munch on strawberries. So one of the things I've found that works really well is don't mulch them, because sow bugs love to eat decaying matter, and what is mulch if not decaying matter? So I take away the mulch if I have a bug problem, and that seems to help a lot. And so you'll be growing in just soil, but if you plant your strawberries close enough together, they will form a living mulch and block out the sun, which will help prevent evaporation, which is good. And for more detailed information about how to grow strawberries specifically, check out the other videos in this series. I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Garden Nerd.